The last problem here is about filtering the duplicate but preserving the order. Remember, always preserving the order is a property in the dictionary only in Python. I'm going first of all to do a simple trick. Remember that you cannot make use of keys as list or anything that is mutable. So the first trick here, I am going to convert every list inside the lists here, list of lists, to a tuple. So now we have a bunch of tuples. Once you did that, you can convert all of these tuples to a dictionary keys using the from keys problem. Once you did that, you have a bunch of tuples that are now unique. Now we removed all of the duplicates based on the from keys idea. Once you are done with that, you can iterate back on all of the keys and convert them to list and return the answer. So the moral of this exercise is, I would like to use list as a key, but this isn't okay. So one trick is to convert it to tuples. The second trick here is, remember that the from keys in dictionary can help you get rid of duplicates and make things unique. The third is, remember that dictionary by definition preserve the order. So the order of the items here would be the same as here after removing the duplicates. That's all.